Hi everyone, it's Rosalie here and welcome to this yoga series for complete beginners. Today we're looking at plank pose, one of my favorite poses. A lot of people don't like plank pose, and the reason for that is because it's really challenging, but it's also one of the best poses you can do to really start to build core strength and upper body strength, and that's exactly what you need to prepare your body to come into more challenging poses like arm balances. So we're going to get started on our hands and knees today. Have a quick peek at your knees. Make sure they're about hip width distance apart and that your shoulders are above your wrists, your hips are above your knees. Now have a peek at your fingers. You want to make sure your fingers are really nice and spread. So push your palms into the mat. Now draw the belly button in towards the spine and find a point ahead of you and fix your gaze there. So make sure you're not looking down. Look forward. Drawing the belly button in, we're going to tuck the toes of the right foot behind us and press the heel so much towards the back. Draw the belly button in. Can you float now your left knee off the mat? Really press your palms into the mat. Now go ahead and tuck the toes of the left foot behind you. Press the palms into the mat. Make sure you're still looking forward and you're drawing your belly button in towards the spine. Imagine a long line of energy from the crown of your head all the way towards your heels. Press the palms so much into the mat that you start to dome through your upper back. Keep drawing the belly button in. And very important here is that you're still breathing. Keep pressing the heels towards the back. Strong legs, strong arms, pressing the palms into the mat. Drawing the navel in. We're going to take one more breath here. And exhale, we'll release the knees down onto the mat. Now there are a few things I sometimes see students doing in class that I want to make sure you're not doing at home. And the first is that the butt is coming up. If this is the case for you, it means that your shoulders are not above your wrists. Shift your shoulders forward, draw the belly button in. Remember that long line of energy from the crown of the head all the way towards the heels. The second thing I see is the opposite. The butt is drooping. This is an easy fix. All you have to do in that case is engage the belly. Draw the belly button in towards the spine. And the last thing that I sometimes see happening in this pose is that students start to look down. So don't do this. Find a fixed point ahead of you to have that really nice length through the back of the neck. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell to be notified every single time I post a new video. And I'll see you in the next class. Snap a picture of yourself and post it on Instagram and tag me at Rosie Yogi so I can see how you did in your pose.